What's up, YouTube? I'm going to do a quick install and review video of this Husky toolbox picked up at the Home Depot. It's a deep box for full-size trucks. This here is a 2013 F150. Alright, I'm going to install the mounting foam on the side. I kind of set it up there, mocked it up. I want my seals, or my mounting foam, to be about 2 inches in from each side of the lip. Whoa! Almost fell over. So I'm going to do that now, and I'll flip it back over. This will obviously be easier, maybe sitting on tailgate or sideways or whatever, but working on limited space here. I got the garage door closed because it is cold outside. I mean, obviously I don't have to be exact perfect, but yeah, there's ridges on these side caps here, so I'm getting it where it matches up, where the metal is in contact with that innermost ridge there. Flip this bad boy back over, mock it up. Go ahead and open this up, make sure I get this thing set up where it's not going to hit when this door opens. Time to install the J-hooks. Okay, it just says reconfirm your clearances before fully tightening. Confirmed. Should have got a socket wrench. There's a J-hook right there. I need to tighten her up. I'm going to grab an extension. Okay, so I have the truck box in place. I've measured it out. Now I'm going to tighten up the J-hooks here on each side. Hold this puppy in place. This Husky puppy. Tightening this side, didn't really give you a torque spec. Washers are pretty small, and that's probably the best. If you're going to upgrade your hardware, you can get different washers for this. Alright, here's the toolbox all installed. Put it up as close as I could get it. There's still a little gap at the front. I'll have to put some weather stripping in there if I want to plan on putting like one of those toolbox back toners in the back later on, but you got to make sure you got enough clearance here, so you don't want to hit in your back window. There's just a box from Sam's. We hefted some groceries back, but this is a little bit deeper box. I don't know if it shows up on camera. You see, and you still have room to slide stuff underneath it, access to your tie down straps. Nice pull handle locks on each side. You can unlock either side and it'll work from the other, so make sure you have them both locked. You want to keep it secure. We have the 6.5 foot bed, so still have plenty of cargo room for us, at least. Not really a full-on work truck here. There it is. Boom.